Hi there and welcome back. Today I just want to talk about SOS and what my price target is, as well as my trades on SOS this week. But before I continue on, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also created a Patreon page where like-minded people can get together, talk about stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, and just share ideas for us to grow our accounts together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you guys are interested, I will go ahead and leave my link down below, and it's only 33 cents a day. So SOS closed at $6.50. And let's take a look at the 1 month chart here. It went all the way up to 1588. And last week there was a short seller report. On Monday, March 1st, I alerted my Discord group, Patreon, that I'm going to buy 250 shares and I'm going to swing trade this. I stated I bought 250 shares of SOS. There was a short seller report last week, which caused the stock to go from $8 to a low of $5. The company responded back today. It was picking a lot of momentum. A couple days later, it went all the way up. Let's take a look at the 5-day chart now. Up to 925. So I decided to take my profits at 820. It was March 3rd and I said sold all my SOS shares. I currently just have 2 cash secure puts that will expire this Friday. So, and look where the stock is at right now. It's at 650. Now we're back down. I just wanted people to share these alerts with people. I like making money and I just want to be able to make money together. So the Hindenburg Research Report, this was what they stated. This is their Twitter account, and they stated, "We are short SOS, which we believe to be an obvious China-based shell game, reanimating the corpse of a former China-based company that earlier employed 90% from its highs. We think SOS is a $0 and has significant regulatory risk." And then they just go on about SOS being a fake company and so on. So that was last Friday, and then the following Monday, the company responded. And then a report came out, a bullish report from Scorpio.vc, which gave SOS a $40 price target. So this helped the stock to go up, and that was the day when I sold my shares. And there's a link to their reports here. I will share the link with you guys and you can go through it. They just have a detailed report on why they are bullish. It says a potential stock company that has been maliciously shorted. You can just go down here. They have pictures of all the buildings and their websites. And then yesterday, they decided to raise $96.7 million through warrants. SOS said in an 8K filing, certain warrant holders have exercised all of the existing warrants to purchase up to 23.88 million ADS of the company. The exercise price of the warrants was $4.05 per ADS. For exercising all of the existing warrants with cash, the company said it will issue each holder new warrants to purchase up to 23.88 million shares. The gross proceeds from the transaction are estimated at $96.7 million, and the transaction will close on March 1st. And they said that it will use the proceeds from the offering to develop its recently launched cloud cryptocurrency mining and cryptocurrency security and insurance business, as well as for working capital and general corporate use. So that's positive news that they're going to use that extra money to expand their company. Another news that just came out recently is that lawyers are trying to make a case against SOS for fraud. Haggens Berman National Trial Attorneys encourages investors in SOS Limited to contact its attorneys. Analyst says company fabricated crypto mining purchases. The firm is investigating possible securities law violations, and certain investors may have valuable claims. The investigation centers on the accuracy of SOS's claims concerning its cryptocurrency mining assets and capabilities. Up until recently, SOS's financial results have struggled and its stock price has languished. But earlier this year, SOS has attracted investor interest by releasing a wave of press releases touting its purported entry into the Bitcoin mining business. For example, on January 21, 2021, SOS claimed to have purchased over 15,000 mining rigs for $20 million, and a month later, claimed that 5,000 mining rigs had already gone live. SOS's cryptocurrency promotion was well received as its shares skyrocketed 600%. But on February 26, 2021, Hindenburg Research and Cooper Research released scathing commentary on SOS, claiming that SOS was an intricate pump and dump scheme that used fake addresses and doctored photos of crypto miners to create an illusion of success. The analyst pointed out that the company's SEC filings, for instance, listed a hotel room as the firm's headquarters. The analyst also questioned whether SOS had actually purchased the claimed mining rigs, as the firm SOS bought the mining rigs from was a fake shell company. Most damaging, the analyst alleged that the photos SOS had published of their mining rigs were phony. In particular, Cooper noted that the photographed SOS miners weren't the A110 Pros the company claimed to own. Instead, they were pictures of Avalon's A1066 miners. Hindenburg went even further and found the original images from SOS's site belonged to a legitimate rival, RHY. One of the lawyers at Hagens Berman stated, "We're focused on investors' losses and whether SOS purported entry into crypto mining is simply a false promotion scheme." What do you guys think? Do you guys think that SOS is a fraud? I don't believe that at all. I am still very bullish on the stock. I sold 2 cash secure puts. This is essentially setting a buy limit. For this, I was able to collect $200 since I sold 2 cash secure puts. So with cash secure puts, all you need to put up is the collateral, which is $600 each for this one. To calculate the collateral, you would just multiply 100 strike price. My strike price is 6. So a total of $1,200, I was able to make $200. So the stock is above my strike price, meaning the collateral is released back to me. I don't get to buy any shares, but I get to keep the $200. So let's say today SOS had closed at $6 or below $6, I would have had to buy 100 shares at $6. Even if SOS went below $5, I would still have to buy it at $6. But I got to keep the premium, and the premium I get up front, and I could use that money to buy more shares, or I could use that money to treat myself to a nice meal. That's the beauty of selling cash secure puts. You get to keep the premium. That is money that you essentially get up front. So I'm going to go ahead and sell more on Monday because this one expired worthless. Let's just take a look here again, the 1 month chart. I do see it going back to 1588 just because they are in the cryptocurrency space, and cryptocurrency is the future now. We have Tesla buying Bitcoin. We have Square buying Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency is huge. No doubt that SOS will be big. It's just right now the overall market is down, but I do believe we're going to rebound next week, and this will go back up to $9 again. And right now it's just flat, trading between $7 and $8 right now. We want to be able to break that 750 resistance so we can move higher. And I do have a price target of at least $50 by the end of this year. Let me know in the comments below if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, So you don't want to wait until it gets to one free stock or no stocks at all. So you get one free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get one more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.